This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Mario Banales. Pool Home in Tampa. Come and check out this fantastic opportunity to own this little slice of paradise. This 2-story 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom home with a bonus room is centrally located in the quiet community of Canterbury Lakes with no CDD and a very low HOA. Upon arrival at the home, you will notice the beautifully landscaped yard sitting on a large corner lot, adorned with a welcoming front porch that's perfect for enjoying that morning cup of coffee or a peaceful evening read. As you enter the home, you will be wowed by the grandiose entryway and staircase leading to the upstairs loft. The high ceilings instantly make the home feel open and airy. To the left you will find the highly sought-after bonus room. This room is ideal for visiting guests, playroom, or work-from-home office. The entire first floor is laid out with beautiful hardwood floors that lead you into the wide-open living space and kitchen. The large sliding doors overlooking the pool patio are the perfect touch to get you and your guest excited about those hot summer days Florida is well known for. Additionally, downstairs you will also find a modest breakfast nook in the kitchen, guest bathroom, laundry room, and formal dining area. As you make your way up the stairs you will be delighted to see a second bonus area/loft space. This room can be converted into a game room or theater room for the family to enjoy. 2 additional bedrooms and a guest bathroom sit privately across from the master bedroom, with no bedroom directly sharing a wall. As you walk into the master suite you will be delighted with the amount of space and perfect lighting shining through the windows. No master bedroom is complete without a large ensuite bathroom that includes private water closet, walk-in/or closets, large stand-up shower, and large soaker tub for those long days where only a bath will do. Lastly, no true Florida home is complete without its beautiful outdoor space. A full-size saltwater pool with outdoor enclosure to comfortably enjoy those hot summer days, and room to spare outside of the covered area. The home is perfect for anyone looking to find the ideal starter Florida home. Other noteworthy points include newer air conditioner replaced in 2020, easy access to I-75 and Selmon Expressway, and most major services like groceries, shopping, and dining only minutes away. What are you waiting for? Make your appointment today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.